Welcome back to PowerUp with Kaynee. Today we are going to make the Viral Cottage Cheese Flatbread. There's a reason why it is viral. It is so easy to make and it is so delicious. Evan and I are going to show you how to do it. Let's get into it. So Evan's going to help me put all of the ingredients in here. First, we're going to start with 1 cup of cottage cheese. How many eggs, Evan?
2.
2 eggs. And then you can put in seasonings to taste. I selected the ones that I enjoy and like the most. So let's start with 4 cloves of garlic. You can certainly do garlic powder if you'd like.
It does smell that good.
Garlic has a very strong smell, huh? But you like garlic bread, don't you, Evan?
Mm-hmm.
And this is Trader Joe's cheesy seasoning blend.
There.
And we're just putting about a half a tablespoon of each of these seasonings. Okay, then Italian seasoning. Then, because we like spicy things in this house, we're putting in some red crushed pepper. Okay. And then we're putting in some freshly crushed black pepper. This next ingredient is completely optional. But if you do this, it will kick up the flavor a notch. It will make it even more incredible. So the secret ingredient is Parmesan cheese. I'm not talking about the Parmesan cheese that comes in the green bottle that we see in the more commercial Italian restaurants. I'm talking about the real deal. This is worth the investment. So we're just gonna grate it.
Can I do it?
Sure. We're gonna put about maybe 2 tablespoons of Parmesan grated cheese in there.
It smells bad. Oh my goodness, I can't handle that smell, bro.
And now we're gonna put that in there.
Cheese.
Now we're gonna blend all of our ingredients in our Ninja blender.
Can I, flip it over?
Mm-hmm. After everything is nicely blended together, you're going to put it on a sheet of parchment paper. What I've done is I've sprayed avocado oil on mine just to ensure that it doesn't stick. Now it's ready for the oven. You're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. All right, my friends, my cottage cheese flatbread was cooking in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. And look at the result. It is amazing, guys. So I cut a strip the width of this plate so that I could fix a sandwich. So let's do it. So I'm gonna start by putting some of this chosen mayo on one side of it. And then I cooked some delicious chicken breast with jalapeno and some bell peppers, and it is to die for. So I'm gonna add some of that in there. Then I'm also adding some fresh spinach, and then also some sliced red pepper. And then I'm gonna douse everything with some olive oil and salt. Now I'm gonna fold this over and cut it in half. Look at that, my friend. This looks so amazingly delicious. I can't wait to give this a taste test. Oh my goodness. This is definitely hitting the spot. Guys, you have got to give this a try. There is something magical about those ingredients. 2 eggs, 1 cup of cottage cheese, seasoning to taste. I added a little parmesan to mine. That is just to die for delicious. Wow. All right, my PowerUp friends, that's it for this video. For more healthy recipes like this one that are low carb, keto friendly, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you're notified each time I share a video, and don't forget to share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Bye until next time.